How to find Shein item number. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find any product number on Shein. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Shein app. Then once you're in the Shein app, open that product of number you want to find. So let's say for example you want to find the number of this product. So once you're on the product page, here you have to tap on the share icon, then tap on here copy link. Now once you have copied the link, open any notes app, then paste the link and here is that item number. So copy this item number, so now I have copied this item numbers. Now if I open Shein in a web browser, if I search for that item number on Shein, so you can see that I have searched for this item number and this item has showed up. So this is the same item of which we copied the item number. So this is how you can find Shein item number. Thanks for watching.